What if we could print entire cities on the moon or Mars using nothing but robots and local materials? With 3D printed space habitats, the dream of colonizing other planets is closer than ever. Building in space is one of the biggest challenges for human colonization. Transporting materials from Earth is too expensive, and assembling structures by hand is too risky. That's where 3D printing comes in. So how do we print buildings on other planets? Let's break it down. Robotic construction. Autonomous 3D printers use robotic arms to layer materials into strong, airtight structures. Instead of bringing construction supplies from Earth, 3D printers use lunar or Martian soil, known as regolith, to create durable and radiation-proof shelters. Some designs combine 3D printed shells with inflatable living spaces inside. This approach maximizes efficiency and comfort for astronauts. Future habitats may include self-healing concrete and radiation-resistant walls to protect astronauts. These advanced materials could significantly extend the lifespan and safety of space habitats. NASA, ESA, and private companies like Icon and AI Space Factory are already developing 3D printed habitat prototypes for the Moon and Mars. Some of these designs could be used in the Artemis program, bringing humans back to the Moon in the next decade. Of course, there are challenges: printing in extreme temperatures, ensuring long-term durability, and making sure habitats can withstand meteorite impacts and radiation. But with advancements in AI, robotics, and space-grade materials, the first 3D printed space colony might not be far away. With 3D printed space habitats, we're taking one giant leap toward a multi-planetary future. The question is, where will we build first? The Moon, Mars, or even beyond? What do you think? Will humans live in 3D printed homes on other planets within our lifetime? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more space exploration updates.